to show everybody this awesome tool. It's dmrmap.app. And what's really cool about it, just to show everybody what the toolbar looks like. What's really cool about it is it's like a hotspot. So right here, I'm going to tell it that I want to be on BrandMeister and I want to go to talk group 91. Say we were 91. All right. So, and you can choose light or dark here, whatever you want to do. You scroll down here, I'm going to back up and I'm going to key up worldwide.
Jerry from China, always pleasure talking to you. And
now, every time somebody keys up, so like Texas,
this one, golden stars,
it will show up right here and it'll show you different information. You know, and it's easier to see traffic here instead of relying on these screens on hotspots. You know, it tells me everything about this person. But it's a really powerful tool, and again, it's dmrmap.app. And see, this other guy just keyed up, and he's keying up from, I don't know where, I guess the same area. But it's kind of cool, and it'll show you, country play, like this guy's keying up right now. It's Switzerland. And I've actually run this on multiple screens. Like I have a thing that will put 4 screens on one monitor, like on the big monitors up there. And you can actually monitor all your talk groups here and see where the traffic is. Just want to share that. Hey, if you don't mind, throw a like on this. I appreciate it.